Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete invitation posts in Instagram app. Please subscribe to our channel, don't forget to put your likes and also write your comments. And let us get started with you. So you and I are going to open up the Instagram app. Next, we're going to go to posts at the top. I already have a message that I've posted. And as you can see, it's sent. And at the bottom, I have it says invitation sent. That means we have to wait for the person to reply to us. It can be in cases like this if the account we're writing to is closed, for example, and the person is looking at all correspondence requests. Or, as in my case, it is a very popular account where all messages that come in are viewed. And here, unfortunately, we don't have, as you can see, a function to delete such a message if we have sent. The only thing we can do is go to the account. Then we click on the three dots and select the block. We confirm our action. Now we need to update all of our correspondences. And as you can see, when you revisit the message that we wrote, there is a message here, and there are two functions at the bottom: unblock this position or delete. We can delete. Then it's delete absolutely all correspondence with this user and therefore delete your invitation posts. So we delete, and as you saw, instantly the message was deleted. That's the simple way you can delete an invitation message on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. Put your likes, write your comments, and see you later, friends.